Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello everybody, hello and welcome to John on a Bike and welcome to beautiful sunny Somerset. We're down here on holiday. Katie's over here, looking glamorous and beautiful, and behind her here is the cottage that we're staying at. Look how beautiful this is. What a beautiful place to stay. Absolutely stunning place, beautiful. So we're down here for a week now Katie, isn't it? A week. We've been to Oxford, we've been to London, we've been over to Bletchley Park to see the code breaking. It was fantastic, really interesting, wasn't it? It was a really fascinating place. Visit that if you haven't been there. So we're out in some lovely quiet country lanes here because this village is so quiet. So today we're just going to go out and explore some of these back lanes in this beautiful village. Absolutely beautiful and so quiet. There's no through roads, so there's no traffic coming through. It's just people who live in the village. So you can imagine how quiet it is. It's fantastic. We're actually not far from Glastonbury at the moment. About 10 miles, Kate, aren't we, from Glastonbury? About 10 miles from Glastonbury. About 10 miles from Glastonbury. Actually, the festival's on at the moment. So we're not going to go to that, no. We're not going to go to the festival. It's already started when we got here. But we're going to go exploring. We're going to go to Glastonbury. We've been to Oxford, we've been to London, we've been to Bletchley, and we're just going to sort of play by ear, just see where we end up at. Nice church there, look at that. Lovely church there. We've just been in that before. Actually, a lot of the entries in the book, the logbook, not the logbook, the guest book in the church were from cyclists. Obviously, so it's popular around here. There's Katie coming towards us.
Like being in Midsummer Murders.
It is actually, yeah.
Wrong part of the country, but you know, same names.
Look at the houses, I mean, beautiful houses, look at that. Stunning houses. Very exclusive houses in this village. Nice people though. I mean, the owners of the cottage where we stay in, I've just been talking to them. He's a pilot. And lovely people. So as you can see, pedaling some lovely little lanes here. Beautiful lanes. We've seen a few dragonflies, haven't we, Katie, already? And it's hot.
Dragonflies.
Hey?
Big dragonflies.
Hey, they're very big dragonflies actually, yeah, very big. So we're just going along these little lanes, no idea where we're going, we've got no route planned. We're just following the road, so we end up exploring. Because we were going to just walk along it today, Katie, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, I thought, come on for a walk. Then we thought, no, let's go get the bikes and see what we can find. So we're going to explore. Well, as you can see, it's beautiful around here. Beautiful part of the world. If you haven't been to Somerset, get yourself along here. Because it is a stunning part of the world, it really is. And it's always seems to be warm when we're here, Kate, doesn't it?
Always, yeah.
Yeah, it's always lovely and warm. But look at the view over there, over the side of Katie there. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a big ditch there, don't go in that. And it's very warm today again, isn't it? I mean, we've had some hot weather when we've been down here. It was 32 the other day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
32, 31s, 30s. Yesterday was about 22. Today is probably what? About 23, 24 at the moment.
24.
Yeah, I would say. Very warm, very humid. And very nice. See a long way, bit, can you? Is Catherine alright?
I'm fine. You can tell you're nicely on holiday when they've got white sign.
No, yeah, true, yeah. Yeah, got little old-fashioned road signs. Where should we go? Straight ahead?
Straight ahead.
So far, very flat as well. Very flat.
Cyclists coming the other way.
Yeah, look, old sign. Oh yeah. Well spotted. Good eyesight. Always good eyesight there, Catherine. Katie's got eyes like a hawk, haven't you? She spotted the cyclist right in the distance there. Right in the distance. That's very nice. Look, we've just come across. Beautiful. Look at that. And of course it goes over the other side. Fantastic. This is known as the Somerset Flats for obvious reasons. So we just came across this bridge here, yeah, and we've just discovered this little cycleway. We didn't know it was even here. We saw a cyclist going down, we thought, let's try that. So, Bordrip 1.5 miles, Cossington 3 miles. So yeah, we didn't even know that was even there. We didn't know there was any cycleways around here, did we? So when we came in and parked the car, and we came into the village, we thought probably not going to be a cycle around here because the lanes were very, very tight and narrow with big hedges on. But actually there's some lovely cycle lanes around here. So I've got my sunglasses on, not for the fact of, well it is sunny actually, but more for the bugs. Loads of bugs around, so I put them on to try and get them out my eyes. And we're going down beside this river. Is it called the King's Drain or something? King's Drain or something, but it'd be a brilliant place to take a canoe or something on that, wouldn't it? You what?
Shall I go to the middle of Lidl
Middle of Lidl?
and get you one?
Oh yes, yeah, middle of Lidl for a canoe. Would there, wouldn't it? Imagine. That'd be a fantastic place for a canoe or something. If I lived around here, I'd have one, would you?
Yeah.
If I lived around here. We saw a one the other day.
Dragonfly.
Oh yeah, dragonfly, right in front of Katie. Fantastic. Brilliant. Yeah, we saw it was a canoe, wasn't it?
Yeah. Like there's a bloke one like that.
Yeah. Some kind of weird thing there, look. Just a bench, is it?
Bike coming.
But yeah, we saw a canoe, 2-man canoe in Little the day, but thinking, love one, but I think, you know, where we live, there's no way you can really use them. We've got rivers and things, but something like this would be much better. Hello there. Popular down here for bikes, obviously. It's a good route, isn't it? Hello there. We found some toys to play on, folks.
You're on the bike.
Got a swingy thing. We got a swingy thing. We've got a steppy thing.
Get on this.
And a bike thing.
This is amazing.
Katie doing a stepper. Katie doing a weights, look. A weight training. You're lifting yourself up, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're lifting your own body weight up, that's what it is. Pretty cool.
Not easy though.
We've got our own gym. So we've come to
Bordrip.
Bordrip. So we don't know if we're going to go along this lane or not. Because it's not really clear. We're coming along to the edge of that track there where that board is. So I'm not sure if we go this way or across the bridge.
We'll try this way.
We're going to try this way, go a little bit further along and see what happens. So it looks like we've come to the end of this track. Because that's Kissing Gate, so it's going to be a bit of a pain to get through there. There's a bridge across there, but we think it's just for walkers to go across. So we're going to head back down this way where Katie's going and to the left into the village. But you don't know, do you, till you try. I mean, like I say, we could squeeze the bikes through there, but we're not going to do that because we don't think that's the right route. So head back and try and find the right route there. Best idea. So we've come across the bridge and now we're heading into a village, I think. There's a third man I was saying here, so I'm assuming it's a village. There you go, Katie blowing kisses at you all. Hey, flirt with everybody, Catherine. Oh, we've come to a beautiful village here. Looks gorgeous. Look at this. Very pretty. St. Michael and all the angels. That's a nice church, isn't it? That's very pretty. Yeah, we'll go and check the church out. Me and Katie like checking churches out. I love going to the churches, old buildings, historic buildings. Fantastic. We're going to have a look in the church if it's open. Let's have a look. Oh, this is an old church. Very old church. This is a lovely church, isn't it? Where's church walks? Look at this. We can't leave the bikes outside very long on the road. I'm saying if we take the bikes, to be honest with you. It's very quiet, but it's lovely. Beautiful. It's very peaceful in here. It's lovely. Feel a bit of a country village church. Stunning. Stunning. Yeah, but me and Katie, when we come across places like this, we like to have a look inside. It's got a nice feeling to them, you know. And it's not even about, you have to be dead religious or anything like that, just to have a really nice, calm and lovely atmospheric feel in churches do, in cathedrals. But we love checking out any old buildings. We love historic places, castles, cathedrals, old churches, old country houses. Love it. Love it. Love exploring these places. It's really interesting actually looking at the guest book as well. See where people have come from. If you ever come to the church, just check out the guest book. You get people from all over the world. These are from Kent. It's a really small book, I think there's one. Yeah, it's a really small book, because sometimes you get people in these books from all over the world. This could be a new book, maybe they renewed it, because there's only a few entries, look, so I think it's a new book. But yeah, if you come check out a visitor book, it's really interesting. Katie's outside watching the bike, so I'm going to go outside and let Katie come and have a look around. Yeah, what a beautiful church. Stunning.
Skies just go on forever. There's the farmer in his field. Dog. Teasels.
Katie's found some teasels. Yeah, Katie's got a funky helmet on today, haven't you? Funky helmet on.
Shining in the sunshine.
Yeah, shining in the sunshine. Fantastic. We're also getting a dragonfly procession down here. We keep getting dragonflies flying right in front of us all the time. Fantastic. I'll video down here, you'll see one soon. Because they keep coming along and flying right in front of us.
Very, very clever dragonfly.
One early one was flying right in front of us for a few minutes.
Amazing colours, blue one.
Yeah, they're like a blue colour, aren't they?
Like a kingfisher blue.
Yeah, yeah. They're like a nice sort of light blue colour, but they sit and sun themselves on the ground, and then when you get close they would take off and fly right in front of you for ages, don't they, sometimes? Looks fantastic. Look how straight this road is. Isn't this fantastic? Heading back towards the village now that we're staying in. We haven't been far. Tell when we get back. Probably will be up 3 or 4 miles, won't it?
Go back for a cup of tea and a slice of Vicky's lemon drizzle tea.
Yeah, with a cup of tea?
Yeah, with cake. Tea and cake.
I suppose, yeah, tea and cake, yeah. Yeah, we don't mind a cup of tea now and again, do we?
No.
Tea and cake, anybody?
The very lovely people whose cottage that we're staying in left us some homemade lemon drizzle cake for when we arrived yesterday, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. It's absolutely, it's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Really, really lemony, isn't it? Really strong flavours. Beautiful, beautiful.
And we've got some pandan cake which we bought in Chinatown in London, which is a green cake which we've had before.
I'll put a photograph up here of it.
Yeah, and it just tastes of air.
It does. It's like eating nothing. It really is like eating nothing.
Absolutely.
If you've never had any, try some. Like I say, I haven't got it with us here to put on the video, but I'll take a photograph and put it in the video.
Look at it and you think, oh, that's a strange colour because it's like mint green, but it tastes so light. It's like eating air. It's the only way I can describe it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, yeah, it is. It is like eating air. It is like eating clouds or something. It's amazing. What's it called?
Pandan.
Pandan.
It's even lighter than my cloud cake that I've made.
Yeah, and that's light, lovely cake. That's a lovely cake actually, isn't it? Your cloud cake that you make. Just a bit of a corner and then straightened out again. So we're coming back into Sutton Mallet, back in the village where we're staying. A really good ride actually, really good. We haven't been far, not sure yet. probably about 5 miles, 4 or 5 miles, something like that, but it's been really nice, really nice. Really nice. Beautiful part of the world. As you can see there, Sutton Mallet. Actually the whole village. Back up there's Sutton Mallet as well. But this is all Sutton Mallet up this way too. It's lovely. Over here past the church again, which is up on the right. Church is in there, and back up this road to the cottage. So we're coming down now towards the cottage where we're staying. How far do you think we've done, Katie? Okay, just checking. Can you see in the light?
7.5 miles.
7.5, really?
So.
7.5 miles? I was thinking it would be about 4 or 5.
Could be wrong though.
Well, could be right too.
I'm reading the wrong bit.
Yeah, we'll go with that. 7.5 miles, folks. And we're back now to the cottage. This beautiful little cottage that we're staying in. Which is actually part of the owner's house on the side, which is a beautiful house, beautiful. So this is where we stay. Our cottage here. And it's a beautiful place, really is. So as always, thank you much for joining us. And it's goodbye from me and goodbye from Katie. See you all later. Take care. Bye bye.